What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today is New Speaker Day. And that's not only true here in the international headquarters of the Home Theater Hobbyist, also known as my home theater, but it is also true here in the US because this brand, the HECOs from Germany, have made their way to our shores. They've been around since 1949, but this is the first time they've been here. And they've been brought to us by a company called Audio Advice. They are an audio retailer. So if you want to purchase these or anything else, use those links in the description below. And while you're down there, make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted when I publish my full review of these speakers. Now, what I have here is the Aurora. This is one of the lines that HECO actually sells. And I've got a full 7.1 setup here from Audio Advice. I've got the floor standers. Those are the 1000 series. I've got the center channel, the 30, the smaller bookshelf speaker, the 200, the larger bookshelf speaker, the 300, and the 12-inch subwoofer, the 30A. So I'm going to be listening to all of those. I've got to set them up, obviously, get them out of the box. I'm excited, right? And another thing I'm excited about is that they actually sent me a couple of different colors because this line comes in two colors, a black and a white. And so I've got them both here. So I'll be able to give you not only my initial impressions of the colors, but also after sitting with them, for a couple of weeks, how I feel about the colors in the full review. So definitely stay tuned for that because that is coming. But a couple of things about this. This was shipped to me on a pallet. So if you get this whole setup, you might get it on a pallet too. So you need to be home for that. One of these, I think it's the center channel, is the lightest at 22 pounds-ish, and everything else is just weighs more than that. Those big floor standers are 67 pounds. So you definitely want to make sure you have help taking those around the house. I did bring them up the stairs by myself, but they are heavy. And that actually kind of made me a bit excited too, because, I'm hoping that they have that nice German sturdy engineering that Germans are known for. So I'm looking forward to getting these out of the box. They have paper cone woofers, so that's new and different. I'll be listening to those. And they also have a nice tweeter design. So again, all of this is really cool. I'm really excited. And you know what? Let's just go ahead and get these out of the box. I'm tired of talking. Let's get to the unboxing. Okay, I'm going to start here with these big floor standers, then I'm going to move on to the subwoofer, and then I'll move on to the other speakers. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these big bad boys out of the box. Okay, so first impressions. As you can see, I have them in the black here with this nice black front face, and they have this brown sort of wood grain look on the sides and on the back of the cabinet, and it's got an L shape to it. That's actually really, really cool with the front face kind of blending in with the body. As you can see, I've got the 8-inch drivers here on this 1000 series. You got the mid-range driver, you got a tweeter here, and then the dual woofers down here. So it is a 3-way design, which is really cool. It's got the HECO name down there, and then on the top there is an Aurora. They also come with feet that I need to attach. Right now I haven't put the feet on them because I just got them out of the box, but they do come with feet, so you can attach them and they'll be a little bit more secure on your floors. And I think they even have, yeah, they do have little rubber things to put on them so they can protect your wood floors. But I'm going to move them over there and move on to the subwoofer. Okay, the subwoofer. This is the 12-inch front firing driver here. It does come with a grill that I haven't taken out of the package yet, but it's the same color as I have on the floor standing speakers. The feet are already on it, so that's cool. On the back, it's got dual circular ports, a radiator, and the connections are back here as well. And it's got that same L shape back, and then the body is that same wood color. It looks really nice, and it's also packaged well, just like those floor standers. So they've done a good job there. I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to start unboxing the center channel and those bookshelf speakers. So let's keep going. So I'm here with the 300s, the bigger bookshelf speakers, then I'll do the center channel and the smaller bookshelf speakers after that. So as you can see, I got these in white with the white front face with the black drivers. I like that contrast. And you got the tan or light brown overall cabinet color with that L shape and the Aurora logo up top. So it's consistent design, but again, you got the white, you got the black. Right now, I really like this white. It looks really good. But like I said, I'll talk about that a little bit more in the full review, how I feel about it after having it for a while. But it does look really good. And the rear, it is ported back here, and it does have dual speaker binding posts. So that's really cool. And it's got the Aurora label up top here, so it looks good. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna unbox the center channel and the smaller bookshelf speakers. So here they all are, the Auroras from HECO. And as you can see, this table is packed. The only thing I don't have up here is the subwoofer, and that's over there on the floor just because it wouldn't fit. But overall, I like this design. I really like the L-shaped front face. It's got the Aurora label up here up top. It looks really good. I like the binding posts on the back. They're really nice and high quality. The rear port, also nice and high quality. I like the white, black. I'm not really sure which ones I like as far as color is concerned. I'm kind of feeling the white right now, I'm gonna be honest, but it could go either way, right? But overall, I like the design of these speakers, and I'm looking forward to listening to them. Now, it's going to take, I don't know, anywhere from 75 to 100 hours to get a really good break-in on these. So I'm going to do that because these are fresh out of the box. And so expect my review in, I don't know, 2, maybe 3 weeks. It's probably gonna be a little bit, but definitely hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted when that review drops. Also, purchase these speakers. Use those links in the description below to purchase these speakers because it does help support the channel. Give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I will try to answer them. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely buy these speakers and give us a thumbs up. I'll talk to you next time.